Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the most original video filmed on YouTube ever. I'm doing the Instagram followers or supporters or whatever. Choose my makeup or pick my makeup. This has been trending on YouTube for some time now, or a month or two. And I don't know who the first person was, but recently Bethany Mota did it. So I was like, so it's still going on, so I might as well do it. I did an Instagram poll a couple hours ago because I wouldn't do it right now because I'm not as famous as Bethany Mota or the other YouTubers. Not as famous, not at all famous as the other YouTubers. So I did it a couple hours ago and I've screenshotted the results and I will insert the screenshots here. So without further ado, let's see what Instagram has chosen for us. Okay, shall we? Let's get started. I apologize for my skin being not at its best right now. So that's the tea. But I have the answers right here. Okay, so if you follow me on Instagram, you must have taken part in the poll. So I asked for foundation. Which foundation should I use? The Maybelline Fit Me or the NARS Sheer Glow? I love NARS Sheer Glow, but everyone chose Maybelline. The Maybelline Fit Me won by 64%. That's a lot. So let's just get started. I'm in the shade 322. I'm not sure if it's my correct shade because I'm not the best at picking out the correct shade. So don't tell me it's over. I'm gonna be there is. I thought it for a second it was over. And I've already put what do we say, moisturizer, because I have very dry skin, and if I don't apply moisturizer, my skin will not let the foundation stay on because I have very dry skin. Hey guys, so my foundation is finally done, and if it looks darker here, it's because I just have old acne scars there, and that's a tea. And yeah, I hope it looks fine on camera and I'm not getting flashback or the light is reflecting that. I hope that doesn't happen. But next, after foundation, is obviously concealer, and for that I put the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define and the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Both are cult faves, and I was really hoping you all would choose the Makeup Revolution one, but y'all salty and y'all played me and y'all chose the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and LA Girl Pro Conceal won by 56%. So that's what we're gonna use today. I'm really mad at y'all, okay? Also, this is an Instagram video, and y'all should follow me on Instagram if y'all don't. This is very orange, and I'm not sure if it's the right shade for my skin, but ew. Next was powder, and I'll give you the option Bharat & Doris Loose Setting Powder and the MAC Studio Fix, because I didn't realize that one's translucent and one's not. So I'm gonna use the MAC Studio Fix. It won by 90%, of course, because B&D is a small brand. But I'm gonna set the MAC Fix Plus, and I'm gonna on my face, and I'm gonna use the Bharat and Doris to set under my eyes because I need that. So I'm gonna set with the MAC, and this will just perfect any areas that missed. And I just like run the brush over. I don't really drag it because it like shifts the foundation. I learned this from John McLean. So if you're thinking I'm copying him or using his tips, yes I am. So y'all can't drag me in the comments. So I'm gonna move on to the rest of the face. Now it's time for brows, and I I just said foot. I put for brows, brow pencil or brow powder. Thank gosh you said brow pencil because brow powder requires lots of effort and I don't even have that. So I have only one brow pencil because I ran out my NYX one. So I'm using the Miniso one. Eyeshadow now. For eyeshadow, I gave you all the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk and the Morphe 35B palette, and Huda Beauty won by 54%. This is a good palette, like it's pretty pigmented, but like some of the shimmer shadows aren't the best, but it's workable, so I'm gonna do that. And also, if you all were thinking what kind of look I did, it was the look was what kind of makeup look do you want, and I put neutral, basic and dramatic bold, but both became like, can you focus, 50-50. So like 54% is the Huda Beauty palette, it won, and most of the shades are pretty much neutral. So I'm gonna do a neutral look today. So now let's go on the eyes. I'm using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Eden, and I'm gonna use this as my base transition shade in my crease. And now I'm gonna take the shade Blazing onto a more like denser packing brush kind of thing, not packing brush, blending brush, and I'm gonna run that as my true transition shade. Now I'm gonna take the pack brush in 203, and I'm gonna take the shade Amber and Saffron and Oud or Oud, whatever. I'm gonna mix all these three, and I'm gonna put it on the outer part. There's a big red splotch there, so I'm gonna take back Blazing and Eden. I'm gonna blend that out to my best physical ability, literally like scrubbing my eye, and boom, gone. And I'm just gonna blend everything together so it's like somewhat decent. And I'm gonna take a more defined brush. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. eye definer brush, and I'm gonna take Amber Oud, and I'm gonna wet my MAC 239 brush, and I'm gonna wet it. And I'm going to use the shade Blood Mole, which is the shade so pretty, and I'm gonna put it in. Oh, are you kidding me? What? Whom? Where? What? Excuse me? How dare you? That's so pretty wet. Oh my gosh. Hello? I have been sleeping on blood moon. Never gonna do that again. It went a little on the crease, but we'll fix that. Now, I'm gonna take the shade Blazing and put it on my lower lash line. Blazing and a bit of saffron. Okay. And now, created like a whole mess. And now I did a poll for winged liner and for eyeliner, and winged liner won by 83%. So yes, that's what we're doing. And I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna do winged liner off camera because I'm very bad at it. So I'm gonna draw 2 wings on these eyeballs, and I'm gonna be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back and I'm a complete mess. My eyeliner isn't even, so I'm just gonna keep my eyes relaxed because then they look even. So next, after eyeshadow, comes mascara, and I didn't use lashes. I'm not wearing lashes, I'm just wearing mascara. So I put the Too Faced and Maybelline, and the Maybelline one won. I love the Maybelline one over the Too Faced one anyway, so I was happy about that. After mascara comes, I gave the option for the Wet n Wild blush and the Hourglass blush, and you all chose the Hourglass blush and it won by 68%. So I know y'all are all bougie. It's done. So blush is done. And next is one of my favorite parts, which I was waiting for obviously, was I picked up the palette as if it was my phone, like hello. Highlighter, I gave you all the option between Becca and Bobbi Brown. Becca Champagne Pop and Bobbi Brown. I guess y'all fell for the packaging, and 69% of y'all chose Bobbi Brown. I don't know. I don't know why. I know whom. I don't know when. I don't know what. But I know why y'all chose Bobbi Brown. But I'm gonna give y'all what I want, and this isn't that pigmented. But I don't like it at all. I don't reach for it, but it's workable. And now you'll see it's pigmented, but it's fine. It's not the worst, but is it better than Champagne Pop? No. And for lips, I gave you all the option between bold and dark and pinky nudes. 52% of you all said pinky nudes, so thank you for that at least. And I'm gonna take the next lipstick in the shade Loki, and you all know this is my favorite. So I'm just gonna. And the last but not the least is I gave you all the option between setting sprays, and I gave you all Wet n Wild Photo Focus, the natural one, and PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. I love that setting spray. It's like so good. But y'all played me again, and y'all chose the Wet n Wild setting spray by 58. It won by 58%. So and now we're gonna wait for this to dry, and I'm gonna give you all a dramatic montage. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you like how this looked. Y'all chose this. So sorry for my liner, it was so bad, but we'll just get past that. Bye.